I found zero waste cleaning spray. Most refills come in plastic containers, but this one just needs water. Refills come in a cardboard box. Paper sachets can be recycled. Just drop the refill into the reusable spray bottle. Next, wait for 15 minutes. Screw the top back on. Give it a quick shake. And there you have it. One cleaning spray. You can get Homethings at gethomethings.com. Please like and subscribe to our videos if you find them useful. A starter pack of all 3 Homethings cleaning sprays can be obtained from their website for just £16. Check out our review on their dishwasher tablets as well here. And just remember that small changes really can make a huge difference.